Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I am Cici Rahayu from Group 10. We'll differ material about real gas, condensed, presses, coefficient of thermal expansion, and compressibility and heats of fusion, vaporization, and sublimation. Yes. Definition from ideal before. If measurements of pressure, molar volume, and temperature of gas do not confirm the relation PV together RT within precision of the measurements, the gas is said to deviate from ideality or to exhibit not ideal before. Z together V per V ID together dV per RT, and for the gas ideal Z sama dengan 1 and is introduced of pressure and temperature. For ideal gas Z P T P I function of about temperature and pressure. And I condenser presses. The compressibility factor is the ratio of the molar volume of gas to the ideal gas volume at the same pressure and temperature. The compressibility factor is equally obtained equation such as viral equation and liquid passive empirical constants to calculate them. Compressibility factor G, condition temperature Tr and reduced pressure Pr, which are dimensionless forms. Formula Z sama dengan PV per RT. While the transducer temperature is the reduction pressure expressed by Tr together T per Tc, Pr together P per Pc, where Tc together critical temperature, Pc together critical pressure. Compressibility factor and differ as Z together Vm per Vm gas ideal together P Vm per RT, where Vm is the molar volume. Vm ideal gas together RT per P is the ideal molar volume of gas. P is pressure, T is temperature, and B thermal coefficient is the shell in the material dimensions as a result of change in temperature. 1. Coefficient of thermal expansion if divided into 3, and 1 linear expansion coefficient, and 2 Bird expansion coefficient, and 3 volumetric expansion coefficient. And definition from ideal before. Since the ideal gas law does not equivalently refresh and before of gases, we shall no temperature of formula more equation of state of quasar and explorer the implicit concept of the equation. And 3 and 2. How can the ideal gas law be modified to yield an equation that will replace an experimental that's more equally? We begin by courage and observing the phase in the ideal gas law. Mainly the predicates the under any finite pressure and volume of the gas is zero at the absolute zero of temperature. V together RT per P. On calling real gas liquefy and unity sociality after liquefaction of the volume gas is also clear that some after requirements producer of the definition from ideality in gas sounds as nitrogen and match with the cis a first canon expenditure before in the law. Reassuring this after phrase must know the songs. We have already noticed the evolution of the is the matter of having values of z less than unity arm time hand and the carbon dioxide, which are axis equality of V factor and 2x Vi gas liquids, which of our energy, the heat of vaporization must is required because of the forces of attraction acting between the molecule and the snakes upwards. In liquids of burst in interaction is strong in the molecules are close together, as they are in liquids, and very weak if the molecules are forced apart, as they are in the gas. The problem is to find and problems way of modifying the gas equation to take account of the effects of these weak attractive forces. The equation represented by I gas not the walls of a container acts in the outward direction. Attractive forces were between the molecules tend to pull them together, thus diminishing, and Earth's force gain the wall. Forcing gain the wall. One molecule and then the attractive force between. At the volume electric is some small value F. Okay, then further solve equation takes two efficiency in condensed fluids. First, the action of molecule Z. Since the denominator in the above equation is smaller than the denominator in the ideal gas equation, gas Z is the perfect Boyle sieve, which expresses Z as the functions of temperature and molar volume. It will be preferable to of the Z as the function of temperature and pressure. However, his work entails solving the counter-Walsh equation for V as the SI function of D and P, then multiplying and result by P per RT to obtain Z as I function of T and P. Since the van der Waals equation is the first van der Waals equation is isobic connects or surface with an approach expression of Z, T, or P, which we obtain from by observing that Rsp that V 1 per V 100 and Z and together 1. This expression of Z corresponds to the time in P2. Material. We will point out for the van der Waals equation. It is impractical to obtain Z as a function of T and P in a streaming forward manner. It is necessary to use the material trick to transform. At low pressure, we can explain Z as a power series in the pressure. Z together 1 plus I1P plus I2P2 plus I3P3. In wise two coefficients I1, I2, and I3 are functions of temperature only. To determine this coefficient, we use the definition of Z in 2 where 1 per V together P per RTZ. Using this value I per V, this value of 1 per V bearing into the form example in the form formula 1 plus I1P and plus I2P2 plus I3P3 plus together 1 plus B min I per RT P RTZ plus B per RT P2 per Z2 and plus B per RT3 P3 per Z3 plus we subtract a from which signs with 0 of since equation of device the results by P2 obtained I1 plus I2P plus I3P2 per together 1 per RT B min I per RT 1 per Z plus B per RT2 P per Z2 plus B per RT3 P2 per Z3 and in the limit of 0 request Z together 1 and his equation becomes I1 together I per RT B min R I per RT which is the required value of I1. Using this value of I1 in X brings it of the form or the form. We read I plus I1 plus I2P plus I3P3 plus together I1 sat 1 per Z plus B per RT 2 P per Z2 plus B per RT3 P3 per Z3 plus we prepared the producer by subtracting I1 from both sides of the equation dividing by P and taking the limiting value of zero equation. Note that Z mean 1 per P together I1 at 0 pressure 10 I2 together P per RT 2 mean I1 2 together I per RT 3 2B mean I per RT, which is the required coefficient of P2. Solved in and this produce and can be repeated to obtain I3, I4, and so on, but the algebra becomes more tradition with fixed repetition. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.